We'll guide you through how to make bokeh in Lightroom. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe Lightroom on your PC to begin editing the photo. Once Lightroom is launched, import the photo you want to edit into the application. After the photo has been imported, select the photo from the library module to prepare it for editing. Next, click the Develop module to access the editing workspace and adjustment tools. When the Develop module is open, click the Masking tool to create a targeted adjustment for specific areas of the image. From the available masking options, select Subject to automatically create a mask around the main subject in the photo. After the subject mask has been created, click Invert to switch the selection so the background becomes the active editing area. This allows you to apply adjustments only to the background while keeping the subject unaffected. Once the background is selected, reduce the sharpness slider to soften the details and create a smoother appearance. Next, reduce the texture slider to remove fine details from the background and strengthen the blur effect. After adjusting the texture, reduce the clarity slider to soften the contrast and improve the overall bokeh appearance. If needed, adjust the feather setting to create a smoother transition between the subject and the blurred background. Increase or decrease the feather amount until the edges of the mask blend naturally with the rest of the image. After completing the adjustments, review the bokeh effect on the background and check how it changes the overall appearance of the photo. Compare the edited image with the original version to make sure the background blur looks natural while the subject remains sharp. Once you are satisfied with the result, save the editing changes to keep the adjustments applied to the photo.